Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney Grayton. I'm a loctician and natural hair stylist. Over here on my side of YouTube, you will find expert information on caring for your locks. In this video, I'm showing you how I retwisted my hair. Hello. I'm tired and I don't know why I always decide to retwist my hair so late. Like I literally be stalling. So I really don't have that many words tonight. I'm just going to wet my hair because I washed it yesterday. I was trying to wait on the Beyonce products, y'all. I ordered them, but it's gonna have to be next wash day. I'm going to be going in with a spray bottle. I put some spring water in, and section by section, I'm gonna spray it and retwist it. I made a retwist butter for people who are interested in like a no gel retwist. Butter is definitely another option. This thick. I have been waiting. It smells like eucalyptus. I'm going to be two-strand twisting them together. So we got a comb. I got my clips. Ideally, you would have just washed your hair before starting this, but I'm just going to rub a little bit. You can see how it's just melting down, which means we won't have to worry about chunks of butter in our hair, not product buildup. As you can see, I usually, as opposed to doing something like this, I usually do my hands like this. This is like this with your two hands back here is as close to someone being behind you as possible. It's probably because I'm a hairstylist and I'm used to being behind somebody and just working that way, but this helps me move faster and kind of reminds my hands which way I should be twisting. So I'm twisting both of these to the right, and I'm going to make this two-strand twist to the left though. I do bring my hands around me when it's time to twist down because that's going to help me move faster. As much as I would love to really go through and clean out my parts a whole lot, I don't really care right now. So I'm going to grab that hair and retwisting it to the right of what I can see. Twist it again, twisting that. I'm going to come back when I'm somewhere around here. So I'm back. I have two-strand twisted the entire back. These are the parts that kind of unraveled the most. Like this is just a blob of hair, but I can tell where my part was. So this is one lock, this is two lock, that's a twist. One lock and two lock, another twist. It's been helping me move faster to just put the butter on the whole section. Stretch this hair. Because I'm on the left side of my head, I should be twisting to the back. I have been more so feeling the parts by hand. And I will worry about cleaning my parts up next month. I'm really pushing myself to not have this perfectionist mindset when it comes to my hair. Now that I know I have 156 locks, I should have an even amount of twists. These two right here where the hair is shorter, I'm definitely going to use a little bit of gel for the sake of making it cleaner today with those shorter pieces. This butter though, it is super soft. So because I'm twisting it with this one, you'll notice I'm still twisting it in the same direction, which is right to the back of my head, but I'm also making sure that the twist is angled towards where the other one is. That's going to make sure that it's not too painful, that it's not a whole lot of tension. All right, let me count these on this side of my middle part. That's 4. That's 4. And then 3. Ew. I might need to go ahead and do 2, 2, 2. Now that we're on the right side of my head, we are still twisting to the right, which will be towards the front of my head. So again, twisting. See, my hands are going to the front of my head. I'm being very dramatic now just to show you the direction. I'm going towards the front of my head. Even the one next to it, we're going to the front of my head. We're crossing over towards the back. The front. And this kind of like folding the lock on itself is only healthy temporarily if you're doing that for a minute while you twist the other one. This one. Twist it. When it comes to locks that may be directly above each other, I'll show you. You're going to retwist this one. One below it. Let's go above. Retwist that one. We're just going to bring this one straight down, the top one. And then we're going to wrap the lower one around it to do that twist. So no need to try to bring the lower one up to meet that one. Again, more tension than we need. So it ends up looking like that. Remember, we have an extra one over here we need to figure out what to do with. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one right here, clip that one back. We'll put that where it needs to go. I think I'm actually gonna sit under the dryer tonight. The last time I did air dry, I slept with clips in, and that is not what I'm trying to do today. I am a middle part girly. And the one next to it. Look at those crinkles. That's how my hair was last time when I took it out. Super cute. Everything clipped the way I want it to lay when I'm under the dryer. Kind of want to clip it back if you are planning to put like the wrapping strip on so that you actually have space to do that. Retwisting away from my face. Twisting back. Back. I have twisted both of these to the right, cross it over the opposite way. I want to twist that way, then cross it over this way. Twist that way, cross it over, that way, cross it over, that way, cross it over. It's a little tight. If anything hurts, you're taking it down, okay? It can really save your edges. Here are my edges that are not going to look like this by the end of tomorrow. But nevertheless, it looks good. I'm using some mousse that I've been had when I had some boho braids. Right, so I sat in the dryer for like 25 minutes, but it was hot. But let's reveal this hair so I can wrap it back up and take my butt to sleep. this style was going to be a go-to for me, especially in the summertime. The roots stay secure because it's twisted together. So yeah, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And if there are any Locticians that watch my videos, definitely let me know. Let me know you're watching and that you're here and the types of things that you would like to see from me as a professional. Other than that, y'all have a great day and peace.